Share links on the internet and earn money. Start now on linkforties.net.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Paul Leo Jr. and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace a brake bulb in this is a 2016 Hyundai Tucson. Should work with a lot of other models similar to that. So this is actually very simple. The first thing is actually the bulbs to buy, and that's the Sylvania 2357, and that way you can replace them both at the same time. They're actually not that expensive, and this is actually a very easy process while I do this in the parking lot of the AutoZone. So the first thing, if you can see here, is that there's this metal or this plastic piece right here. Now this I kind of had to, there's like little slits right here and right here that I needed to kind of pry open, but after that it just pulls right out. After that, all you really need is a Phillips head screwdriver, which I'm going to just take these off really quick here. This is a very short video because I'm trying to make it short because it's about 15 degrees out here. So we're going to pop these two off right here. It's a good thing that there's not a lot of stuff to keep track of. This is actually one of the easier ones that I've had to do as well. So 1, 2. Here's the old bulb. You can see it's burnt out a little bit. We have our pieces. We have our plastic case right there. We have our new bulbs. So next thing is just be careful just taking this out. What you're really going to do from here is pull it and then pop it out. So in here you'll see a couple slots here, and there's this one black one right here that you actually have to pull out. Like, you don't have to do anything with it, but you have to pull it out. If you can see me, I'm hoping that it comes through. Because even though it's bright, it's cold. That just comes out to give you a little bit of leeway. Now, you're looking at the gray. What we're looking at is the gray, the gray spindle in which you're going to put the new bulb in. And it's very simple to pulling it out. So let me pause this real quick. Alright, now these ones are pretty interesting, and obviously you do not want to touch the actual glass itself. So now what they do is they actually pop in and then turn counterclockwise. If you were to take it out, you would pop it in and turn it counterclockwise. So I'm going to show you the gray part right here. So we just pop it in and then push it in counterclockwise. And then it's actually just that simple. Yeah, you pop it in, just make sure it's turned in, and then obviously we're just going to pop it right back in. Sorry about the camera angle here. Best we can. If you do manage to touch the actual glass, just wipe it off with a paper towel, but yeah, paper towel or some kind of cloth. So let me tighten this on. Now there wasn't really anything to add there. It was just literally turning the bulb in, putting this piece back into place, putting the screws back in here, and then putting the actual plastic piece. Make sure that it is actually, sits comfortably in there, and that's it. And there you have it. There's your new brake lights for about I think roughly between about $6. So but yeah, very simple, very easy, and that's all I got. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.